everybody, got a nice rainy Saturday morning here. Wind's blowing, leaves are kicking up. Anyway, I'm getting rid of another table for my friend Kurt. I've already made one. I'll put a picture of the one that I made up here. It's basically a floating table that attaches to the wall, and there's a little leg that kind of supports where it comes out from the wall there. The reason there's holes in there is so that you can attach mics or whatever kind of accessories that typically clamp on the desk. I've already went to the lumberyard. I went to Home Depot or Lowe's, somewhere. I went somewhere, so I'm just getting ready to basically cut the boards down to more manageable pieces, get them a little bit closer to the size that they're going to be, and then I will run them over the joiner through the planer to get them to the proper thickness, and then we'll start gluing them up. So it should come together quick.
This is me, Kate, and me and Daddy. He's putting some glue in there so I can help him underneath it. Thank you for watching this amazing show. It's a pretty good show to watch yourself when you're talking on a video, because on the news it will show me and Daddy painting this. It's a good show. My mommy didn't help. I'm helping my Daddy. So Daddy said, would you like to start gluing? And I said no. Then I started saying yes. So now it's ready. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this amazing show. Done.
knock her out, tie her down.